Do you love Google Notebook LM but get frustrated that you just can't add as many documents as you want? Hey, I understand. Let's take a look at Perplexity here and let's take a look and find out how many documents can you really add on the free plan? How many documents can I add on the free plan to Google Notebook LM? And you're going to see it's going to tell us how many documents each notebook can have. If you're not familiar with Google Notebook LM, by the way, it's an amazing tool that lets you upload your own data and then use Google Gemini in the background to query it, to ask questions, to create study guides. It's incredible. But one of the questions we always have is, on the free plan, Jonathan, how do we get past the limitations? You can see you get 50 source documents. Well, that may or may not be enough, but there's a way around it, and I'm going to show you how not to get 50, not to get 500, but to get 5,000 source documents for free. And it's really, really simple. You see, inside Google Notebook, if we create a brand new notebook, here we go. There we go, to brand new notebook. We can go ahead and we can link over here to a Google Drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to go create a new Google Doc here in a minute. And we're going to create multiple tabs. By the way, if you're not familiar, inside a Google document, you have different tabs over here that we can do. You can set up to 100 different tabs in here. And each of these documents counts as one of your 50 documents in Google Notebook LM. So we'll just call this a Notebook LM training doc number 1. We could add more. And we're going to go ahead and put in some content here just so we've got some relevant. Let's go ahead and create some lorem ipsum. If you're not familiar with that, lorem ipsum is stuff we used to use all the time when we were mocking up websites, and I'm going to date myself, but we literally can generate some lorem ipsum here, and we'll go ahead and copy this just so that we've got a little bit of content in there so you can see how this works. So we're going to paste that in, tab 3, and I'll go ahead here and I'll label it here in just a moment. I won't actually be able to. You'll be able to see this really easily. So I've got my one document. Normally this would be 5 documents, but we've got one. And now I'm going to go into my untitled notebook. We're going to connect it to Google Drive, and we're going to be looking here for our Notebook LM training. Here it is, that first document. We're going to go ahead and attach that and insert. Now what we're doing is we're inserting this as training documents that it has what we want. Notice it even identified it's placeholder content. But the neat thing is, look, when I click on this, there's tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, and tab 5. Now, I didn't add tab 1. Oops, I got to fix it. Am I in trouble? No, I'm not. This is the other benefit. That's the ability to scale where you're at. So let's go back in here. Let's go to tab 1. There's nothing here. I'm going to add content in here, and I'm going to even put in here, we'll put it in a different order so you know that it's working properly. There we go. Different order. This time we're going to start with a different fake word. All right, now I'm going to go back to my Google Notebook LM. Go, hey, Jonathan, we updated it. It still says tab 1. What's going on here? Something's weird. Well, no problem. Let's go back to our sources. We're going to click back in, and notice when we do, we get this little icon up here. It's going to take just a second for it to synchronize, and we're going to have the opportunity to synchronize this notebook. And that means it's going to bring in our content here from tab number 1 through number 5. Remember, as we go in currently, if I click around here, we've only got one tab. Let's reload this and see if it comes up. Go in, there we go. Click to sync with Google Drive. Notice tab 1 directly to tab 2. There's no content in between. Watch this. When we sync, boom, now it goes tab 1 and tab 2. It found all that content for us. So if you're looking the way to maximize your storage on Google Notebook LM, it's really simple. You simply want to go ahead and create a Google Doc, copy and paste all your data into there wherever you found it from, and then upload it. You get 100 tabs per Google Doc, and even on the free plan, you get 50 source documents. That's 5,000 source documents instead of 50. And oh, by the way, it's all for free.